Hello everyone, I'm Bahar. My major is environmental engineering. I'm gonna explain about a software called Invest in this tutorial, and exclusively I want to talk about its habitat quality model. But what's the meaning of Invest? Invest means integrated valuation of ecosystem services and trade-offs. It's a suite of models used to map and evaluate the goods and services from nature that sustain and fulfill human life. It helps explore how changes in ecosystem can lead to change in the flows of many different benefits to people. Don't worry, in the next session I will teach you how to install software. Invest has 21 models which we are going to talk about its habitat quality model. This model is not complicated and is really user-friendly. What are we going to do with this model? We enter the raster file that contains land use or land cover in each pixel to the model. We also prepared the threats, so this model processes the rate of habitat destruction, land use or land cover for us due to the result of those threats. So here the study of habitat quality means the study of the effect of threats on the pixels. As you know, the better the habitat situation, the more and the better the biodiversity. We have to use ArcGIS along with this model. Habitat quality modeling the rarity of habitat for biodiversity. Habitat means land use or land cover. For example, the forest is a habitat. We may have different type of forests, but in all situations, forest is the pixel type. Threat to a habitat include the following factors that degrade habitat quality. Therefore, habitat quality depends on several factors: impact of each threat on habitat, each habitat sensitivity to the threat, distance between habitat and threat sources, and degree of land protection. We are dealing with five words in this software: habitat quality, threat, degradation, rarity, and protected. Know the app. The purpose of habitat quality modeling is to model biodiversity. Evidence shows that biodiversity is declining dramatically around the world, and this has provoked widespread reaction from governments. Because of that, the Rio Convention has forced countries to conserve biodiversity within the borders. The output of this app helps environmental managers to understand the extent of species, communities, and habitat, and patterns of species distribution and concentration. Olympus output help managers to allocate fund protected area and manage ecosystems. The habitat quality model combines LULC information with biodiversity threat information and output habitat quality maps. You can run a biodiversity status assessment for an area very quickly with this modeling approach. Advantage of the software. Inputting data is very simple. This data is usually available in all over the world, even in parts that are poor at collecting species distribution data. It does not require accurate biodiversity data. The habitat quality model performs better than the other biodiversity apps. The reason for its superiority is the habitat quality model considers the sensitivity of different habitats to various threats.